Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve there isn't enough memory to complete this action Excel error. It appears when handling the large files or complex operations. So, let's watch this video to know how you can fix this error. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix there isn't enough memory to complete this action error with 5 best solutions. Solution 1. Quit all the instances of Excel. The very first thing you can do is to terminate your PC from all the opened instances of Excel. This ultimately works in resolving this error. Try to save your ongoing work. After that, exit from all programs. Then, press the Ctrl+Alt+Delete keys from your keyboard. This will open up the dialog box of Windows Security. Hit the Task Manager. Then go to a Processes tab. And click on each instance of Excel.exe. Then click End Process. Solution 2. Switch to the manual calculation method. Switching to the manual calculation is the next step that can help you to stop the Excel application for recalculating the data after any changes. To set manual calculations to your Excel workbook, you need to go to the File tab from the Excel ribbon. From the list of appearing menus, choose the Options. This will open the Excel Options window. Here you have to choose the Formulas tab from the left pane. Hit the Manual option, which is present under the section of the Calculation option. Here you will see an option Recalculate Workbook before saving. If you keep this option enabled, then each time before saving the workbook, complete data is recalculated. Solution 3. Update the Excel app to the latest version. There isn't enough memory error might occur if Windows and MS Office are not up to date. So, install the latest updates for both Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office. Open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app. And update it to the latest version. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve there isn't enough memory to complete this action error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair software. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Excel there isn't enough memory to complete this action error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.